LinkedIn is one of my favorite portals for job searching. There are so many users which are active every day, which provides a great opportunity for job seekers to find the dream job. With great added features, LinkedIn allows you to create your own personal brand. Additionally, it gives you great networking opportunities. Hi there, I am Nancy. I'm the founder and principal consultant of CareerViews. If you're watching CareerViews video for the first time, please do not miss to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the career tips, because this channel provides a lot of career information. If you are looking for a career transition, you are in the job search process, you need HR tips, or you want to read a career blog, we have everything in store for you. So without any further ado, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to make your LinkedIn profile impressive and how to do job searching on LinkedIn. Let's get started. First things first, let's begin with your LinkedIn profile. Start with a professional profile picture. There is no harm in investing a good profile picture. You must hire a photographer or you must go to a photo studio to get yourself professionally clicked. Make sure the photo covers 60% of your head area. It has to be a headshot looking in front with a light background. If you don't want to do that, I always suggest people to stand in front of a light colored wall in a professional attire like you would wear for an interview. Do a bit of hair and makeup if you're a female, and you're all set to get your picture clicked. Here are some examples of right and wrong profile pictures. The next step, make your profile visually appealing by using a professional banner. Do not use your company's picture or a slogan or anything which doesn't makes it look very professional. Your banner shows maturity, so make sure you choose the right banner for you. A professionally created LinkedIn banner always grabs people's attention and make your profile impressive. So make sure to put out there whatever is important to you. The next thing is your profile headline. Make sure to use the profile headline which is not just your job title. There is a difference in using different headlines. If you are looking for a job, you could mention potential titles that you are looking for, which are of course relevant to your current profile. Additionally, if you are already an experienced professional, you could mention your certifications. So do not waste the headline space. Utilize it well. Now the most important bit, which is your career summary. Make your career summary sound like a story, an interesting one, which users would like to read. In 5 to 6 lines, show your accomplishments, make it quantifiable, and tell what you have achieved so far during your professional journey. Make sure you use the right tenses while writing your career summary. Some people just copy and paste it from their resume. If you are speaking to the reader, make sure it starts like, I am an accomplished professional. I have achieved. I have done this. So make sure you are at the center stage in your career summary. Make sure you do not miss the power verbs while defining your profile on LinkedIn. It could be whether you are defining your responsibilities, your career summary, or anything related to your achievements. Use powerful adjectives like, I am passionate about. I have strong leadership skills. I have accomplished. A team player with over this much years of experience. These are the things that make your profile strong. If you have a team that you have handled in the past, make sure you mention, I guided, I led, I designed. Using these power verbs ensures that you have all these qualities. These makes your profile heavy and demonstrates responsibility and accountability. The next step, many people do this mistake of considering LinkedIn as their CV. LinkedIn is your professional profile. It has to have relevant information only. You need not to copy and paste each thing that is mentioned in your CV in your LinkedIn profile. So make sure whatever you put in there is relevant. What my recommendation for your LinkedIn profile is, you should put the job title, and under every job title, it has to be 2-3 lines of relevant experience or your career achievements. That's about it. If you are an entrepreneur or a freelancer, LinkedIn provides an opportunity to highlight your services. Whatever services you are offering, there is always a section. So be clear on your offerings on LinkedIn. If you are providing freelance services or any of the services as an entrepreneur, you could list them down and show them very clearly in the service section. Get endorsed on LinkedIn. That shows credibility. Endorsements are not like recommendations that you could ask people for. The best way to get endorsements are endorsing people in your network whom you really know and you feel that they have accomplished that task or have a particular skill. Start by endorsing others, and people generally return the favor by endorsing you. So it's a great way to spread the endorsement cheer on LinkedIn. If you are a fresher without a wide network, there is no harm in reaching out to people and asking them to endorse you. There could be your university professors, your friends, the people who are pursuing internship along with you. Ask them to endorse you. I highly recommend for you to get recommendations. Recommendations make your profile professional. Make sure that whatever you are mentioning, including the power verbs, are your best abilities. Recommendations are a personal experience that you or the person recommending you share. It makes your profile strong because it takes you a step ahead than the endorsements. So make sure you ask people whom you have worked with for some recommendations. Additionally, there is no number of recommendations that you may need. The more, the better. So throughout your career journey, keep on gathering recommendations wherever and whosoever you can from. What I really like about LinkedIn is it provides you an opportunity to test your skills. Take a skill assessment. Understand on what level you are. If you are an expert in your field, LinkedIn provides you a badge to display. These badges are proof of your abilities, and nothing gives more credibility if the badge is from the LinkedIn. Another great feature that LinkedIn offers is LinkedIn Learning. If you are a professional who is trying to diversify or who is looking to upskill yourself, there is a 1-month trial offered for free on LinkedIn. So register for LinkedIn Learning and start to upskill yourself. You can display the certificates that you receive at the end of your course on your LinkedIn profile. You could also share your learnings with your network. You could share your certificates and your achievements through LinkedIn, through your network, which gives them an opportunity to comment or like, which in return helps you in better networking and getting in touch with your colleagues or co-workers who used to work with you. So start investing in yourself through LinkedIn Learning. A free trial or a permanent learning is totally your call. Now let's talk about how to find a job on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a great portal with over 500 million users who are active on a daily basis. LinkedIn helps you connect with employers, job posters, and your ex-colleagues, while it has so many job postings in different categories. If you are an active job seeker, I would not recommend you posting your CV directly on LinkedIn. Rather, you make sure your contact information is updated. Go to your privacy settings and update your contact information there so that any recruiter could contact you directly. Make sure you highlight your accomplishments in your career. It could be any certifications, it could be any upskill courses, or it could be any achievements during your career. Make sure your accomplishments are in there. Weekly review your profile stats. LinkedIn makes sure to send you an alert of what people are searching for you. Here is an example. These are the things I have been searched for. So make sure you understand what you are being searched for. Are your profile stats right? If you are a basic account holder, unfortunately you cannot see who viewed your profile. But finding people who are looking for you is a great way to understand. So if you don't mind and you are actively looking for a job, take a premium account where you could send in-mails directly without connecting to people. It also has so many additional features. But if you want to stick to basic, there is no harm in it. It is good enough for a job seeker. Set the right job alerts for you. Even LinkedIn keeps on prompting you, are these vacancies right for you, through an email. Share your feedback. See what kind of job alerts you're getting. Rather than typing and finding jobs, it's a wise thing to set your job alerts and apply jobs on a daily basis. You must connect with the job poster. Make sure you write them a polite message while sending a connecting request. People have higher chances of getting connected who send it along with a nice message than the people who just send a connection request. Find the right recruiters on LinkedIn. I have also made a video of what kind of recruiters are available on LinkedIn. You could check my video in the description. In the search bar, you can also find recruiters from your industry. So you should mention, for example, recruiter, IT, healthcare, marketing. You can see a lot of profiles. So make sure you connect with the right recruiter who is hiring for your industry. The next thing that you could do for your job search is following influencers or following the job posters who have been sharing or posting jobs on a daily basis. This is another good way to have jobs coming into your newsfeed. You can pick the right ones and apply. My next and important tip, always connect with right people. HR professionals, recruiters, job posters, right kind of influencers, and the senior leaders within your industry. By adding them to your network, you get to see a lot of information and industry trends. Make sure you comment on these posts so that you get some attention. Next on my list for job searching on LinkedIn comes to networking. You could network with people by joining different groups. LinkedIn learning courses, when you opt for, they also suggest would you like to be a part of certain group. Even in the 1 month trial, you could high speed your networking with industry professionals. Join virtual events. See what is happening in the industry, whether free or paid is totally your choice. Tap into the hidden job market by WhatsApp groups. A lot of people run so many WhatsApp groups where they help the job seekers by posting some relevant jobs. A lot of internal referrals or lot of recommendations help job seekers to land into their dream jobs. And that's what these groups are for. So make sure you have the right network to help you in your job search. LinkedIn doesn't have to take hours and hours of your time. Don't reach to a burnout situation. Dedicate some time during your day to be active on LinkedIn for all these purposes that I have stated before. And I'm very sure productive time management on LinkedIn will land you into your dream job offer. Let me know, how did you like this video? What is your feedback about finding a job through LinkedIn? I would love to hear from you. Do share this video with anybody who is looking for a job through LinkedIn. I have made more videos. I'll be leaving a link of job searching videos in the description. Do check them out. Until next time, stay tuned to Career Views. Keep watching my videos. Thank you for today.